What's up, everyone? Welcome back. What another crazy day in the world of crypto. I've been trying to make a video about Bitcoin, about price levels, but it just keeps going and going. So uh, I have set up a new price, what I think will happen, a little bit of a prediction, but honestly, at this point, it could go either way. Only one thing is for certain. Eventually, we're going to hit a little dip. I'll talk a little bit about that. I'm looking at Solana again. Uh, Pretty sure we will see Solana push further. Other than that, yeah, let's not waste much more time. Let's get into the video. And yeah, one more time, personal opinions here. Just a guy sitting in his room trying to make some money online and currently actually succeeding in that. So yeah, let's get into the rest of the video and do your own research. And honestly, I hope you're all in profit as I am. Let's get into it. All right, so here we are, guys, at CoinMarketCap. As you can see, the global crypto market cap almost 3 trillion. Amazing. I had like a few videos ago. If you had told me we'd reach 3 trillion in a few days, I would not have believed you whatsoever. So, yeah, honestly, I'm as surprised as how quick we rose, how high. But yeah, uh, awesome, absolutely awesome at this point. Completely great. Bitcoin 27% up on the 7 day, insane. Uh, even crazier percentages again. We're seeing the fear and greed index. Fear and greed index. We're on 79. This is a little bit what's worrying me. We're heading into extreme greed, and once we do, I do expect we will see a pullback. It cannot always be just up. And considering now the news is reporting it, all new buyers are stepping in. Everyone's thinking, "Hey, I got to get a little piece of Bitcoin." Or another good point is that people thinking Bitcoin has gone up, it's too expensive. They're starting to buy altcoins because they're cheaper. They don't know how market caps work, so they start to just randomly buy stuff. And this is the point where people will start taking profits eventually, especially with all the crazy rises we've seen. Even on the crypto market cap as a whole, we can see this big push. And yeah, in this point, it might even hit 3 trillion before I finish uploading the video. Uh, you can see we're shifting a little towards altcoin season. As I said, uh, as Bitcoin will cool down a little bit, I do think we will see people buying altcoins, coins that have gone up, but not as much yet. So, as I said, I still think there's plenty of meat left on the bone, so to say. But yeah, look at that net inflow. Insane. 378 million to the November 8th interest. Yeah, it's insane. Incredible scores. The crypto bubbles are green again. Almost everything looks green. Look at these percentages. Sui 70%, Cardano 82, Solana, Pepe, Tau, everything is up. But when everything is up, we eventually what goes up must come down, and it won't. I don't expect it to go down all the way back before the election, but for sure we will see some profits being taken. We're back on the Bitcoin chart here on BitUnix. This is the one I've posted a line at 90K. Obviously, like the 80K, we blew right past, but it was very close. For now, look, we're not even seeing much selling pressure. Every red candle has just been a little bit. Everybody's still expecting more. And for now, yeah, I think they're completely right. Like the election was somewhere around here, the results. But there we go. So 90K, possibly 100. I think 90K will be a point where I will definitely start to take some profits around here, and most likely around here. So, why is this important? I will not sell everything I hold. I'll just take a little bit out. I'll just take some profits out. And why I think that's important, if we go back to the daily, we look, we were in this channel for an incredible while. I was buying throughout. Basically, I bought a little here, bought a little here, I bought a little there. I didn't buy all of them. I bought a few of them. I traded a little bit on this account here. I made a little bit of profit there. Um, but basically, buying batches on these dips and selling here, selling a little bit here, a little bit there. I didn't sell everywhere just because I was waiting to see what what this channel would do. Obviously, I didn't expect this much of an upwards movement, but yeah, considering Trump is really pro crypto, it's looking like yeah, we've definitely achieved new levels. So I'm hoping we hit that 3 trillion and it'll stay at least stay on it. But basically, what this has done, it has ensured us that on at least on the moments we bought a 62% gain on our last buys. And well, maybe a little bit here, but even then, let's say it evens out at 50 on Bitcoin. That is insane. It's basically the proof that dollar cost averaging works. The dollar cost averaging technique basically, I mean, it's not exactly dollar cost averaging, but uh, basically profits I take, I put them on the side. I wait till we see these red days where everybody's fearful, everybody's selling. That's when we want to buy. That's what I'm waiting for to happen now. Like I'm way in profit, just like hopefully all of you. And I've taken quite a bit of profits out yet, but now we're waiting to see that little pullback. And I'm hopeful that we stay around that 80K. Maybe we hit 90 and it'll stabilize around there, but I'm expecting us to drop down further because I mean lots of people have been in here in this since with leverage and a lot of money. So people will definitely start to take profits. But even if we look at, like, I've been in crypto now for a few years and I was buying here, bought there, bought a little there, bought a little there. Not exact numbers, but through this time I bought. I also bought here, of course. I bought higher there as well. But even then, let's say we average out, we grab this area. Even then, it's 177% on Bitcoin. This is why dollar cost averaging is so important. Instead of chasing all these meme coins and these altcoins and coins that will drop 90% and maybe they'll do 100% sometime. But from that point on, 90% drop, it will have to skyrocket again before you ever make your money back. So maybe, yeah, eventually you'll make some money back. But focusing on these bigger coins, trying to steer clear of the higher risk ones, the very high risk ones, just dollar cost average your way through. Stick to your plan, stick to your tactics. It takes a lot of the guesswork out, but it basically this proves it works. We make insane gains, and we make year over year. We keep making more. So eventually, uh, let's just call it retirement money. If we keep to our plan, we keep doing this. Basically, what I'm doing every month, I pour a little bit more money in, money I can afford to miss, money I can afford to lose, and every month I just do this. And obviously, I trade a little bit here and there, but I'm not that. I mean, this is just easy. It's doesn't take doesn't require you a lot of thinking, and it take gets you time off the charts, because if you constantly look at these charts and worry about them with high leverage, you will start trading with your emotions, you will start making mistakes, and you will start losing money. Basically here, yeah, I felt bad. I was thinking, oh, did I do the right thing? But I stuck to my plan. I just kept buying, and now we're up way more than before, and even before the previous all-time high, which I also around that time I also bought, and I lost a lot of money on that. Well, I didn't lose it because I didn't sell it. I just kept my Bitcoin. That's my plan basically. I maybe I'll move a little bit in and out from time to time, but I do intend to keep a big portion of Bitcoin at all times because we want to expose ourselves to these huge spikes up. We don't want to be completely out when this happens. We do want to we want to have it both ways. We want to buy Bitcoin cheap and we also want to make money when it goes up. This is the way to do that. And yeah, insane gains for these for these few days. And yeah, I think we've well and truly broken out of this last movement. I'm eager to see what the rest will bring. Let's look a little bit at Solana. I put down 240. It's a number I've seen going around a little bit. I do think it's achievable. Like this is percentage wise, it's not that much. It's a 10%. I think we might even go much higher than that, considering we're still up. Yeah, I mean, even $300 is even. I'd say is in the margin. I'd say we definitely let's put it down. Let's put it down and let's put it on orange. Let's put it as our new goal. 300 there. Yeah, let's keep this green. I don't think it'll be that big of a resistance point. I mean, it has gone up. We did break out. Basically, we stuck to this line. Yeah, we broke down, but we bounced off the support and we shot up. So I think there's still a lot of movement left in Solana, but I do think it's the same can be said for other altcoins like BNB 15%. All right, because the market cap so big. Dogecoin, I mean 100%. It's the power of Elon Musk, in my opinion. This is though something I expect big profits to be taken here as well, especially since it's an inflationary coin. Yeah, I don't think I think there will be big profits taken there. Ripple finally showing some movement. Cardano, insane. I used to hold Cardano. I sold that because I didn't think it would do enough. But yeah, I was proven wrong. Uh, AVAX. I've been holding AVAX for quite a while because I like their three pronged approach to their network. But yeah, basically, if you hold any of these basically the top. I mean, they're all doing well. I wouldn't say the top 100 because I dislike the lower ones because the market cap gets too small. In my opinion, they're too easily influenced, and like the meme tokens, long term, I wouldn't hold them. Like it's great to make some profits on it early on, but for longer term, I would switch to basically some a bit more of the established coins or something with an actual project. But yeah, I can't deny they're actually doing really well. Um, a lot of these are actually still VeChain. I used to hold VeChain. I did make quite a bit of money on that as well. But other than that, I mean, it doesn't really matter. Like a lot of legit projects are in this, and they're all really good. They're all performing really well. Caspa is something I bought a few weeks ago, and Sui, holding Sui, amazing, 70%. I'll take that any day. All right, so I just wanted to do my Monday update on Bitcoin. And yeah, what I expect is next. I do expect there's still a little bit growth left in Bitcoin, but I do think if you haven't already, maybe it's time to take some profits. I've taken some profits already. If we go a little bit higher, I'll take a little bit more profits. If we drop down, I will start buying again. But for now, yeah, I think we had an amazing weekend and even an amazing day today. I mean, who expected like 86,000 and it's still going up. So Like I said, by the time this video uploads, it might even be 90. That's how quick it is moving. And after all these months of sideways movement, yeah, this is absolutely insane. All right, guys. Once again, thanks for watching the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to do me a massive favor, please watch the entire video. Should be saying this at the start of the video, but maybe I'll do that on the next one. But yeah, if you appreciate the content, if you like what I'm saying, or if you want me to talk about anything else, or if you have a suggestion or a question or whatever, feel free to leave it in the comments and I'll get to you. And yeah, uh, I wish everyone a happy day in the world of crypto, and I hope we're all happy with our holdings at the moment. All right.